Hello? Is anyone in there? Can you hear me? I can't see you very well. Come closer. Oh, hi. Hi, my name is Mr. Trask. I'm the computer teacher at Vassarville Community School. And I'm really looking forward to meeting you because we're going to learn a lot of really cool stuff this year. You know, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to come into my computer lab, but that's okay because I'm going to come to your room with your teacher and we're going to learn all kinds of great things. You're going to have a computer. I'm going to have a computer. What could possibly go wrong? We'll be using our computers to learn both here at school and at home. And I'm going to teach you how to do that really, really well. But we're also going to learn some other great things too. We'll learn how to do some programming. We'll learn how to make games. We'll learn how to use different programs. And heck, we'll even learn how to make some things on a 3D printer. How cool would that be? I look forward to seeing you here at school. And I also look forward to seeing you online. Bye, guys. See you soon. Just making sure you're still there. I can barely see you. Huh.